We Indians must be proud of Indian judiciary. They are more prone towards giving benefits to criminals than commoners. They have got a tagline stating that the rights of the felons, criminals, law violators is that they have got a right to be on bail, and jail is an exception. Bail is the norm, jail is an exception. I don't understand how a person who's violated the law has the same rights, same privileges as a commoner who has not violated the law. And probably Indian judiciary thinks that it's protecting the rights of a citizen, forgetting that they are violators. In a recent case by the Supreme Court, the judgment was to be acquitted. The person who raped and murdered a female was to be acquitted. The reason? He had in his hand a knife dripping blood. There was the body of that female next to him with the blood spread all over the floors. But the Supreme Court said there was no eyewitness. I do not understand how the courts think that a rapist will have a crowd around him, cheerleaders, and he will say, "Start action camera." Is that the way people commit crimes? Keeping evidence, keeping people as witnesses? What a strange thought Supreme Court has got. But that is Indian judiciary, and we must be proud because no other country gives judgments like this. We are the only one. Indian judiciary is the only one, an epitome of justice. And the recent bail given to Sengar, who is accused of molesting a female and is in jail, and we must note here that all the relatives of the girl have died in mysterious circumstances. The High Court gives him bail. He has a life sentence, but High Court gives him a bail. Strange, but true. This is what Indian judiciary is all about. Criminals flourish. Commoners will have their cases run for 40 years, 45 years, through generations and generations. It's a matter of shame for all of us Indians, that we have a judiciary which thinks otherwise and without application of mind and, could I say, even common sense. I think our panchayats in the ancient system of Panchayat Raj was 1,000 times better than a judiciary full of laws which are not being enforced. Mere Bharat Mahan.